Hello everyone, this is Salwaa of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Today I'm sharing with you my red Thai curry which I served with coconut rice. So we're going to start making the paste for the curry first. You'll need whole coriander and cumin, paprika, lime leaves. I've used dried lime leaves, lemongrass, garlic, ginger, red chillies, red pepper, shallots, and lemon. So you're first going to start by roasting your cumin and coriander in a pot over medium heat. Stir fry for about 30 seconds for the fragrance to be released. And then you're going to roughly chop your shallots and other ingredients, and it goes into a liquidizer. I've used 2 red chillies, but you can use more if you like your food more spicier. And I've used half a red pepper as it was quite large. In goes the coriander and cumin, which you've roasted as well. The zest of the lemon as well as the juice of the lemon. Add a bit of olive oil to ease the process of liquidizing. I've done it in stages as I've used a small liquidizer. So I first liquidize half and then I've added the other ingredients. And that's my paprika. I've used a spicy paprika. And this is what the paste should look like when it's done. Smooth. Then you're going to continue with the recipe. Use about 1 tablespoon freshly grated garlic and ginger. So I love using freshly grated garlic and ginger, but you can use the paste as well. Add some olive oil into a pot and your freshly grated garlic and ginger. Stir fry for a minute or so before adding your paste. You can make double this paste to save your time for next time, and use half and put the rest in the freezer. Add 1 tin of coconut milk. So I start with 1 tin of coconut milk, but if you need a thinner sauce, you can add more coconut milk. So you're going to leave that to cook until it's about thickened up. And in the meantime, you're going to cut your chicken. I've used chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh here. You can use the breast as well, but I find the thigh is more juicier and it's not as dry as the chicken breast. So once your sauce is cooked and it's thickened up, you're going to add 2 tablespoons oyster sauce or fish sauce, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, stir, and add your chopped chicken. So we're going to leave this to cook for about 10 minutes or so until the chicken is cooked through. And then you're going to taste for salt. If you need extra salt, as the fish sauce or oyster sauce tends to be salty as well, then you can add some extra salt if needed. And you're going to add a small pack of basil, roughly chopped basil. And that's it. That's your Thai curry done. And then we're going to make the coconut rice. You're going to soak 2 cups of fragrant rice in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Stir. And in the meantime, you're going to add 1 tin of coconut milk and 1 tin of water into your pot with a couple of lime leaves, salt, and some butter. So I've just added the butter for extra flavor. And then you're going to take your rinsed rice, which is rinsed clear under cold water, and into the coconut water mixture. Bring it to a boil and leave to simmer until the rice is cooked and the water is evaporated. That shouldn't take long. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes. And there's your coconut rice. Very simple and delicious dish to make, which everyone will enjoy. And if you want to follow me for more recipes, you can do so on YouTube at Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.